Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus spreadsheets. A spreadsheet is fundamentally a digital ledger, organizing data in rows and columns for calculations and analysis. Excel, on the other hand, is a specific, powerful software application created by Microsoft. Think of it this way: all Excel files are spreadsheets, but not every spreadsheet program is Excel. This distinction is crucial for understanding their capabilities and best uses. When it comes to features, Excel often stands out with its extensive capabilities. It provides thousands of built-in functions, sophisticated pivot tables for data summarization, and advanced charting options. While many other spreadsheet applications offer fundamental formulas and basic charting, Excel is designed for handling extremely large datasets, often managing over 1 million rows of data with ease. This makes it a powerhouse for complex analytical tasks. Considering accessibility and cost, Excel is a premium product, usually requiring a subscription to Microsoft 365 or a one-time purchase. In contrast, many other spreadsheet solutions, such as Google Sheets, are completely free and web-based, meaning you can access them from any device with an internet connection. This difference impacts not only your budget, but also how easily you can collaborate and share your work in real time with others. So, which tool is right for you? If you're tackling intricate financial models, advanced statistical analysis, or managing massive datasets, Excel's robust features make it the superior choice. However, for everyday tasks like basic budgeting, creating simple lists, or highly collaborative projects where real-time sharing is key, a free, web-based spreadsheet might be perfectly sufficient. Your decision should align with your specific needs, budget, and the complexity of your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.